Good morning, my name is Agamdeep Singh. I am from class 7C.
Good morning, my name is Prabal Saw. I am class 7C student.
Good morning, my name is Vedhi Pandey. I study in class 7C.
Good morning, my name is Yash Sharma. I study in class 7C. Today we are going to tell you about rainwater harvesting project under Viksit Bharat.
This is our rainwater harvesting system. This is cloud formation. When it rains, the water collects in this unit. Then water goes through this pipe and collect in this unit. Then water goes through this pipe and collect in this unit. It will recharge the groundwater level, and then the excess water goes through this pipe and sent into this well. Then we fetch the water and use in household activities.